Hi, this is Shahid Kapoor.
Hi, I'm Kiara Advani.
And you're watching
Bollywood
Hangama.
Hangama.
We have with us Shahid Kapoor and Kiara Advani. Their movie Kabir Singh is carrying excellent reports. It's literally red hot, and pleasure having you guys on board Rangama.
Thank you.
And so you've been around for some time. Have you experienced this sort of craze for any of your films?
I don't want to compare. There have been films which people have been really excited about, but this film has a different kind of curiosity also. I think it comes from the remake of a film which was a cult film and it had a very wide audience,
Ji.
which went beyond the language, and it had a very strong youth connect, and the fraternity knows about the film. The original. So, of course, the expectations were high and everybody was highly opinionated and waiting to see what we'll be able to do with the remake. So, it's very nice to see that I think almost all reactions have been very, very positive. Yeah, so feeling very happy, but Friday is Friday and you have to wait for people to see the film and love the film. I know that the energy of the film, the vibe of the film, the attitude of the character, the love story of Preeti and Kabir, the music of the film, till now, touchwood, everything has got a very positive reaction. Well, I like to wait till Friday. Like you said, I've been here for a while, so just
Right.
fingers crossed. Very happy, very thankful, but really want to share the film with people now and see if it can get as much love as it's already getting.
In fact, I was just telling Kiara that I've tweeted like a short while back that the music is having the same vibes as maybe what we experienced in Ashiqui 2.
Yeah.
I think that was like some yardstick that was there. And Bekhayali, I've been listening since morning, and I think is another level. Tujhe kitna
Chahne
chahne-
Laga.
I think that's outstanding as well.
Yeah. In fact, we're coming up with a song very soon, which is actually one of our favorites.
Yeah. Kaise hua?
So after Bekhayali, both of us really like that song, and that'll be coming out, I think, tomorrow.
Right. So you have the experience, as we mentioned, that you've been around for some time. How crucial is music?
Very
for a
crucial
mus-
for a love story.
to
Yeah, absolutely.
connect?
For a love story and for many kind of films, like I felt even for a film like Kamine for that matter, music
Ah.
played a very big part. So, certain films come with a certain attitude. They have a certain energy which needs to break through what you're listening to, and it needs to, find its own identity. Kabir Singh is that kind of film. In fact, even before the music came out, the background score of the film, that wow, 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 wow,
Yeah,
wow,
yeah.
wow.
The theme songs were
It had
very.
stayed, yeah. When I saw
presence was
the
very
original,
strong.
that just stayed with me, and that's the reason why we retained it in this film, because it has a certain power, it has a certain attitude which is so intrinsic to the film, and it's so original, and it just stands out, and it kind of grabs you. So I kind of knew this film is always going to have that kind of energy because we knew what the background is going to be, we knew the kind of attitude that the character has, the silhouette of the character, the intensity and the angst, and obviously the music is the heart and soul of the film. So as much as people right now are seeing all the aggression and all the angst and all the violence and all those things, there is a beautiful heart and soul to this film, which is why people loved it so much. I think things that are aggressive can only excite you, but for something to actually make place in your heart and stay with you, it needs to have something beautiful in it. And so the music is doing that job for us. It's giving you a feel of the love story, which is actually a very pure, beautiful, um, very passionate
Real
love
and raw,
story.
yeah.
Real
But
and raw,
also,
yeah.
I mean, after a very long time, there's a theme music that is so strong in a film
Yeah, I
that
remember
you
the last time
completely.
it hadn't for Hentin.
And when we were shooting the scenes, we used to actually think like before we'd go for the takes, like just imagine because we knew they'd play, where there's certain points in the film where this theme song or the background score is going to come at this crucial beat in that scene. So we would. Every time we'd finish shooting it and then go to the monitor and see it, we would be like, just now imagine when adds the wow 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 or 10 10 10 10 and there's just so much power in it that it just like uplifts you. Even the love theme song,
Yeah.
which actually the song that's coming out Kaise Hua is
It's based on the
based
theme.
on the theme song. Ten
Yeah.
ten ten ten. If you've seen the original, or those who have
you
heard,
can
but
sing
yeah.
Bekhayali for us if you can.
Later, we'll sing you
All
and
right.
me
Okay. So even you've been around for some time.
for some time.
And it seems that this is your debut vehicle because
Yeah.
the way I think you are being presented is something which is totally new. And I think the best part is I think अगर आप without makeup and अगर आप एक बिल्कुल सादा तरीके से अपने आप को present करके and if you can create an impact, I think that's something which is not easy. I think that's definitely coming across.
Thank you.
So tell us about the
I
experience.
firstly love how every film I do becomes my debut vehicle. Like every single film,
Good.
which is great,
Stay
which
young,
is
bro. It's
actually
good.
I'm lucky that
मैं तो
I'm
अभी आई हूँ.
that I'm not aging on screen at all. And in
Right.
fact, this specifically because I am playing a 19-year-old first year college student, and it's just a bliss to kind of do something real and raw and not have, to just play that simple, pure girl as is without any makeup. And not like today, got all dolled up, but just to be normal. But more than that, I think just getting a character which is so nuanced, so subtle, for the performance to be, and even to just finally get to do an intense, passionate love story was a dream.
Yeah,
So
intense
I'm
and
lucky.
passionate. And see, debutant से मेरा मुराद ये बिल्कुल भी नहीं है कि that I think age is
It's just
just a
enough,
number.
yeah.
So it's basically the way you're presented.
Correct.
आपका
You're
जो
right.
presentation है और even जो I think जिस तरीके से आपने off late the Netflix film that you did
Last,
for Karan Johar.
yeah.
So obviously तो उसमें जिस तरीके से आपका acting का एक performance सामने आया तो उसके बाद से आपको एक अलग तरीके से भी देखा जाने लगा है. So I'm saying from that perspective as well.
Yeah, you're right. Even he says this is now people will see.
See, there's
you.
always some film which makes impact. I don't think it's about how many things you do. It doesn't matter how many years you've been around. What matters is when you make impact and people notice you and you take center stage in their minds and in their hearts, whether it's the fraternity or whether it's the audience. And you have to wait for those films in your career. They don't every day. They don't come.
Okay, talking about the age factor. Now शाहिद कपूर का एक थोड़ा सा उनका ये है कि that वो ऐसे उनका ये होता है कि that
He just doesn't age.
नहीं in the sense कि वो
नहीं,
उनका
कुछ
अगर
और
आप
बोल
माने
रहा है उसको।
उनके अगर आप
I
माने
got it
तो
back
वो
to you, doesn't age.
उनके अगर आप माने तो भाई मैं तो अभी बहुत सीनियर हो चुका हूँ और लेकिन मसला क्या है कि that अगर आप जो यंगर वर्जन है आपके साथ में अगर आप देखें इसमें प्रोमो में भी देखें so I think he's not looking more than 23-24
It's a fact.
so एक तो लोग उसके ऊपर
What do you do?
सरप्राइज
Tell
No, I
Secret
was very
to your-
stressed about that. I was genuinely very stressed because कभी-कभी आपको ऐसा लगता है मेरी शादी हो गई, मेरे 2 बच्चे हैं, I'm 38 years old और मैं जाके MBBS का स्टूडेंट प्ले कर रहा हूँ. तो you feel like यार am I doing something which is like not cringe worthy कि यार ये मैं at this stage why am I doing it? I genuinely had this conversation with my wife, with my manager, with my team. I was like यार do you think I should do it? And yeah, so I was actually very nervous कि वो work करेगा नहीं करेगा. One good thing that was there is that because he has already passed out and he's almost going to be a surgeon. You finish your एक तो 5 साल का course होता है.
जी.
तो you're about 26 actually. So she's 20-21 and I'm 26. So there is that 5-6 year senior junior difference, and there is also the fact that I'm not playing a 19-20-year-old college boy. He's a 26-year-old. He's almost a surgeon. So that kind of made me feel like I think I can pull it off. But I was not sure I'll be able to achieve it. In fact, that was for me, in the original, the challenge for somebody like a Vijay was doing the bearded portion. Because being a newcomer, how do you be able to create that swag and that presence and that brooding personality, For me, I was not so worried about that. I felt that silhouette for me is easier to achieve. It's the college silhouette and it's the campus silhouette to me that was the challenge. So it was a little different for me.
एक और सवाल मैं आपसे ये पूछना चाह रहा था कि बहुत बार क्या होता है कि I think being a movie star, I think you've experienced it many times that there are too many opinions which are thrown at you.
Yeah.
And I'm sure that at times it must be really difficult to
I think being a public personality.
public personality.
Anybody
Yeah.
who's in
Yeah.
that domain.
So it becomes tough at times, I'm sure. So now I'll just give you an example. तो आपकी पद्मावत आपकी आई
जी.
तो उसमें कुछ लोगों का मानना ये था बहुत सॉफ्ट कैरेक्टर है
Yeah.
बहुत अच्छा आदमी है बहुत ही अच्छा आदमी
था.
है अच्छा आदमी था अभी जैसे कबीर सिंह के प्रोमो आ रहा है तो
Yeah.
उसमें थोड़ा थोड़ा हार्ड है बहुत टफ है
Yeah. आजकल लोगों को हार्ड ज़्यादा बेटर लगता है. It's okay. You can't take those things seriously. See, I never look at my filmography or my work as an actor anymore as an individual performance. I've grown over that. जब आप शुरू में आते हो तो आपके लिए हर परफॉर्मेंस अभी लोग क्या बोलेंगे अभी क्या बोलेंगे. But I've been doing this for 16 years now. I've done about 30 films. And for me now it's about putting a body of work together. When people look back, you can see a variety of work. So the larger picture is more important for me. I don't get affected by this, ये एक महीने 1.5 महीने के लिए जो comments आते हैं. That's not important. Everything will find its meaning once people see it in totality.
in the wider context
5-7 years later, people talk about my performance in Jab Vi Main.
everyone does
Now that I have done Heather and I've done Udta, and I've done Kamine, and now I'm doing this. Now people say, यार वो जब भी met में वैसा था और फिर Kamine में उसने वैसे किया.
Right.
So it's okay. You have to be more mature and you have to understand that people will speak like this, but you have a larger plan in mind. So for me, I have the larger picture in mind, and I'm working towards that of building a body of work that has variety, and where every character has his own energy and his own vibe, and I'm just focusing on that. Yeah.
ये करने को तो आपने शिखर में भी आपने जो किया था वो भी एक बहुत ही आई थिंक गैर मामूली परफॉर्मेंस था. सो आई थिंक देयर कैन बी ऑल सॉर्ट्स ऑफ ओपिनियंस व्हिच कैन बी देयर. ऑलराइट, फॉर यू व्हाट हैज बीन द बिगेस्ट टेक अवे फ्रॉम दिस फिल्म? बिकॉज इट इज नॉट मेनली द टाइटल मे बी कबीर सिंह, बट एटलीस्ट प्रोमो से जितना हम लोगों को समझ में आ रहा है कि आई थिंक शी इज अ फल्क्रम एंड शी इज इन मेनी वेज आई थिंक द रीजन फॉर द कॉन्फ्लिक्ट. सो आपका भी साइजेबल परफॉर्मेंस आपका होना चाहिए पिक्चर के अंदर.
No, absolutely, it is.
देखकर.
Absolutely,
What is the
and
biggest takeaway for you?
I think the entire journey has been very special. It's been because this character is the more silent from the two, and it's been something that I've actually had to internalize. I feel like a part of her is now me. You know, it initially, like I remember after we finished the Delhi schedule and I came back to Bombay, it took me a little while to just become me and myself and get out of that whole Preeti zone. And I think sometimes there are like personality traits of characters that just stay with you. So I think her Therav and her calmness stayed with me. I mean, I'm all over the place.
It's not
so
working during promotions.
I
at
know,
all.
he's been telling me, he's like, go back into pre.
I don't know what's happening to me.
I am
And
feeling
I can't deal with
anxious. It's really.
She's like that. She tends to be quite shy and generally, even in personal life.
Really,
See?
you're shy?
See?
That's I've discovered this new thing about.
I think she's always been a
Kiara.
bit-
हाय, आपके साथ कितनी शरीफ बन के रहती है.
अच्छा, हो सकता है.
So sweet.
हो सकता है. हो सकता है, but we-
सच्चाई को मुझसे पूछे. No,
No,
she's
I-
actually quite affable. Like I feel she's very like chilled out and like talkative, and actually when she came on the film set, the energy of the film changed. There were too many men, and we were doing only the brooding part. And Sandeep, anyways, is a Kabir Singh inside.
I have two Kabir
And then I
Singhs
was
to
also
hand.
Kabir Singh.
Okay.
So there were two Kabir Singhs. दो शेर एक सेट के ऊपर ऐसे
I
घूमते
think I was
रहते
just
थे.
welcoming change.
Yeah, so ये जब आई तो
Yeah.
थोड़ा सा सॉफ्ट हुआ, रोमांटिक फिल्म का पार्ट फिल्म का स्टार्ट हुआ, सब अच्छी अच्छी चीजें, कॉलेज कैंपस, ऑल द सॉफ्ट नाइस ब्यूटीफुल थिंग्स ऑफ द फिल्म स्टार्टेड कमिंग अलाइव. उससे पहले देयर वाज दिस दैट एनर्जी वाज ओनली देयर ऑन द सेट ऑल द
Right.
टाइम.
Right. मैंने जैसे आपसे जिक्र किया था इंटरव्यू से पहले कि मेरे एक फ्रेंड ने बताया कि जो मेड वाला सीन है,
हाँ,
कि जो उनके चेहरे पे एक्सप्रेशंस आते हैं कबीर सिंह को देखकर,
या
I think that's something else, and I think in the movie hall it should be.
I think the maid will
Mark
be a
my
legend.
words, she's a
This
legend.
maid is
She
gonna be a
is. Everyone's going to
legend.
walk out speaking about her and that scene.
What's her name in the film?
Pushpa ji.
Pushpa ji.
So her name in the film is Pushpa ji. Kabir, all this angsty kind of guy, like जो किसी के साथ ठीक से बात नहीं करता, calls her Pushpa ji.
Oh, great.
Because house help is very important.
Of course.
Great. Now, before we move forward, we have a few segments, and we thought that since picture में काफी एक angry young man है
जी.
कबीर सिंह, so हम लोग की quiz ये है कि that in Hindi movies
जी.
there have been several films which have been made around angry young men.
Yeah.
So the questions are based on that.
Okay.
And we'll say
You're
the
gonna know
questions,
more.
we'll give you the
I
options
don't
as
know.
well.
I don't know. Let's hope so. Right
So-
now we're both like so zoned out and
Yeah.
overworked that our brains. Let's hope they are
Okay.
working.
We'll give you some options for that as well. So the request is कि आप options के लिए wait कर लीजिए.
जी,
Okay,
उसके
and
बाद
then
फिर
answer.
आप-
So ऐसा हमारे बीच में competition है.
जी.
Whoever answers first.
So how well do you know the angry young men of Bollywood? What was the name of Shah Rukh Khan's gang in Josh? I'll give you options: Bichu, Vulture, Cobra, Eagle.
Vulture. Vulture. Eagle. I said it before you said.
नहीं, but please compete.
Eagle.
आप please compete करें. I think he knew.
I know, but he didn't say it. I said eagle before
No,
he
but
said
I think he
it.
should.
Faridun,
Okay,
that's
ठीक
very
है.
cheap.
Okay, it's okay. 1-0. But it's a request कि आप please थोड़ा सा.
हाँ हाँ.
Compete कीजिए.
चलो,
He is so
please. Please.
2-3.
हाँ जी.
Get competitive.
This is very easy. Name the actress opposite Salman Khan in Tere Naam. Kirti Reddy, Asin, Bhumika Chawla.
Bhumika Chawla.
Chawla.
2-1.
But you didn't let him finish
Too
all the
bad.
options.
We said we'll try.
अच्छा, so
हम
then now I'm
कोशिश
not going to
करेंगे.
stop.
So don't stop.
I think, yeah.
Get
I think he's got a valid
competitive.
point, so we'll have to cancel this. Honestly.
But
I
I
believe-
said
You
it
have to wait for
as
all
you
the
were
options,
saying,
no?
as you were saying the
Then
last
I
one.
think-
I
अभी
Let's
समझ
be
में आया
fair.
कितनी स्वीट है
Let's be
वेल बिहेव्ड और कितनी दिख गया
let's
ना
be fair.
2 सेकंड लगे
Let's be fair.
हाँ.
Let's be fair. So 1-0.
I get very competitive
1-0.
games.
1-0.
telling me not to get better.
Like, my body language has only changed.
Which device does Sunny Deol lift to bash up baddies in Ghadar?
वाटर पंप
Let me complete.
नहीं हो गया अभी इसने
Let me-
कंपटीशन चालू कर दिया
Let
फरीदुन
me
अब तो
I
complete.
anyway
Water pump
did.
नहीं है. Water pump नहीं
छोड़
है.
दे.
Oh, okay, then
Water
say.
pump नहीं. Let me complete. Let me complete. Bullock cart, hand pump,
Hand
lamp
pump.
post.
Hand pump, he said.
वाटर
it
पंप
now.
और हैंड पंप वही होता है भाई
लेकिन ऑप्शंस को कंप्लीट करने दीजिए.
अच्छा चलो
यार,
give it to
नहीं
him.
हो
I'm
पाएगा
feeling
ऐसे,
bad. I
ये
want to
बीच-बीच
get
में
one.
घुसती रहेगी,
नहीं
फिर मैं
होगा.
हार
एक
जाऊंगा.
एक one
नहीं
for him,
होगा.
2 for me.
नहीं
It's fine.
नहीं नहीं होगा. सो अभी हमको हमें फिर से एक और हमको कैंसिल करना पड़ेगा. इट्स अ रिक्वेस्ट.
यार ये फरीदुन को बोलो
1-0.
डोंट बी
Faridun has become so
so like
yeah,
Trust me,
ईमानदार.
ट्रस्ट मी. अभी हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं. आप प्लीज ऑप्शंस खत्म होने
Okay,
दीजिए.
okay.
आफ्टर दैट विल कम फॉर इट.
Okay.
Who dies in Badlapur due to which Varun Dhawan turns into a killing machine? I'll give you options. Shraddha Kapoor, Disha Patni, Noora Fatehi, Yami.
Yami Gautam. I finished. You finished it. I said Gautam. I said Yami Gautam. Yami Gautam.
Yeah.
The whole team is laughing. Like what happened
Okay,
to her
so
today?
2-0. 2-0.
Yeah.
This is very easy, and I
don't
hope
know why I'm
that,
so
that
competitive.
Shahid Kapoor will make his presence felt now. Name the film featuring Amitabh Bachchan as the angry young man and featuring the song Yari Hai Iman Mera. I'll give you options.
You know.
Diwar, Trishul, Zanjeer, Kala Patthar.
Diva. Should have lost.
She's right. He's right.
Divar.
He's right. He's right. He's right.
Shit.
He's right. Zanjeer. 2-1. 2-1. So
Just
it is heating up now.
Just try.
Okay, in Vastav, who kills Sanjay Dutt? I'll give you options. His mother, his wife, the police, rival gang member.
his wife I
Mother.
his mother killed him
Yeah.
good job bro
James gave me the
because
answer.
you know nothing about Hindi films
James, I know everything. I was
that's
like,
why you're being so
Hello.
desperate to win this
Rubbish.
contest.
I knew all those answers, which you just sat there like a lazy
3-1.
bum and didn't
3-1.
answer.
Shahid ji, please.
नहीं सर मैं
Shahid ji, you are.
प्रीति के सामने कभी ठंडा पड़ गया
See, now he's using this excuse. Ab to I'm not Preeti.
This one I think Shahid should get it. Abhishek Bachchan won his first ever Filmfare Award for portraying an angry young man
युवा
in which of the following films?
अभी मालूम है तो बोलूंगा ना यार
That's
तुम
cancelled.
युवा सरकार कभी अलविदा ना
You
कहना.
have to say it's cancelled because you said you have to.
जो भी
finish the
जो मुझे
options.
जवाब मालूम है वो कैंसिल हो रहा है यही होता है जब लड़कियों के साथ
But
इंटरव्यू
see-
करो और सामने लड़का बैठा
See, it's very
देखिए
simple.
मैंने उनका
इसकी शराफत
As
उन्होंने
soon as I
सच्चाई-
waited
देखिए-
for 4 and said it
देखिए जब
immediately.
उन्होंने कहा था तो मैंने उसमें भी आपको किया था. आप उस चीज को मानेंगे आप?
यार मेरे
Don't
को
be
जो
a-
जवाब मालूम है वो मैं दूंगा ये रुकती नहीं
A
है
bad loser.
ये 3 3:30 के बाद चालू हो जाती है
नहीं I think so we'll have to.
फर्स्ट वाला
It's a
भी इसको
request.
मैंने दिया ईगल्स
नहीं वो
मुझे पहले से
वो
पता
मुझे
था
पता है. It's a request कि आप let's complete the options.
Okay.
It will be really helpful. अभी हमारे पास 3 बचे हैं.
Okay, so now we have
So,
3 to redeem
जी.
ourselves.
In his second film itself, Arjun Kapoor played a double role, one of which was a spoiled angry brat. Name the film. Let me complete the
Okay.
options, please. Akbar, Humayun, Aurangzeb, Shah Jahan.
Or a same no, I said it first.
said
I said it first.
think
I
he
said it first.
He said it. I was.
Who said it
He
first?
said it. He said it.
His team is always saying
नहीं,
she.
Jahan.
She.
So
Very
Aurangzeb.
bad.
It is really getting, I think, very competitive now.
Whatever.
3-2.
No, I'm not waiting.
Okay.
I'm going to say it.
So next one. In Golmaal 3, what does Ajay Devgan break when his character Gopal used to get angry? I'll give you options. Legs, fingers, car, television. set.
Fingers.
She's right
She's right. She's right. 4-2. So
I love this game.
दो सवाल बचे
I just
हैं.
woke
दो सवाल
up.
बचे हैं and I hope that Shahid equals it as well. Okay, in 2.0, Akshay Kumar's character Pakshi Rajan's fighting for the cause of, I'll give you options, birds, bees, animals, infants.
birds
Birds.
He's right. He's right. 4-3. So he can still equal it. He can still equal it. It will be, I think, something
It'll
else
be a tie.
altogether. G. It's a very easy one. It's very easy. It's just that who answers it first.
चल
Who played the lead character of Guru in Mohit Suri's Ek film? Varun Dhawan, Siddharth Malhotra, Ranveer Singh, Tiger Shroff.
Siddharth Malhotra.
ये नाम तो इसके मुंह से पहले निकलना था
Ha.
She's right.
मैंने दे दिया उसको
She's right. But still, I think it was extremely.
yeah it was very tight
well
It was a tight
fought.
one.
Yeah,
Tight
very,
था.
very well fought.
What do I get?
You get these chocolates. That,
which you'll never eat
Mr. Shahid Kapoor, please, if you can please hand it over to her. Chocolates.
इसको adjust
We'll
कर
give it to everyone who's helped us cheat over here.
so sweet
we'll start with the gentleman if you allow.
Yes, please.
Okay.
Yes.
Rapid fire with Shahid Kapoor. If Kabir Singh meets Shahid Kapoor, what would they talk about?
Kabir would explain what it feels like to be drunk because Shahid Kapoor has never touched alcohol in his life and would feel very sorry for Shahid कि ये लाइफ में पीता नहीं है तो मतलब करता क्या है क्या बोरिंग लाइफ जीता है वेजिटेरियन खाना खाता है he would be very disappointed with Shahid Kapoor.
I think Shahid Kapoor can't smoke 2 cigarettes at the same time, 2 or 3.
No, I can if I want to, but I won't
Won't. Okay.
because I did.
That was Kabir Singh.
Yeah,
That was Kabir Singh.
Yeah.
Okay. What makes Kabir Singh different from Devdas?
I think Devdas was a man of that time. I think Kabir is a youngster of today's time. I think Devdas was very internalized with all his angst, and I think Kabir is open with it. So he's a lot more raw, he's a lot more edgy, he's a lot more aggressive than Devdas was.
Right. Okay.
But their issue is the same.
Self-destruction
Yeah, for love,
for love.
not being able to get over somebody.
What makes Kiara different and special from all the actresses you have worked with so far?
She cheats. None of the other actresses used to cheat. Kiara cheats.
What do you mean I cheat?
You cheat. You just cheated.
So that's what makes me
So-
different.
But
They don't cheat with you and
it's a rapid fire. I'm supposed to be humorous also.
ha ha.
कुछ अच्छा बोल दूं?
बोले ना.
I said some bad thing only. So you think you're some
You know,
another worst thing.
Kiara eats
I know
dudhi.
him too well. Knew
Dudhi.
it. I
Nobody
knew.
else I know loves Dudhi.
As
Kiara
much
loves
as
Dudhi.
you do.
Loki, okay.
Why don't tell him yo?
But I'm not obsessed with one vegetable. You're obsessed with Dudhi. You look at it as if it's your long
Firstly,
lost
I'm
love.
obsessed with kaddu, not dudhi.
No, you love Dudhi.
I've
That
seen
watery thing called Dudhi. Kiara loves it.
लौकी भी कहते हैं उसे.
प्यार से लोग उसे Loki कहते हैं.
Fab.
How would you describe a perfect kiss in 3 words?
Passionate, coordinated, and natural.
Which is the weirdest pickup line that has been used on you?
Nobody has ever used a pickup line on me.
What's the worst excuse you've ever used for calling in sick to work?
The worst excuse I've ever used for calling in sick to work.
Ji.
I have
That's
loose
the
motions. I can't leave my house. I'm on my pot as I am sending you this message right now. 1 second. Yeah, wait. I'll call you back. All right.
If you were arrested with no explanation, what would your friends and family assume you had done?
Why would I be arrested for no reason and what could I have done? I ride bikes, so maybe they would think I did something like I rode too fast or something like that.
Okay. Which celebrity comes to your mind when I say following?
Okay.
All right. Down to earth.
So hard to find a down to earth celebrity. Genuinely down to earth.
All the good actors?
I'm thinking of somebody who I think is genuinely down to earth. I just met Chris Srikanth and he was quite down to earth. I just met him because I had gone for the match and he was very, very, very sweet.
All-time inspiration.
Actually, Sachin Tendulkar. I
Sachin
think he's
Tendulkar?
genuinely down to earth.
That's true. That's true. All-time inspiration.
My parents, both of them.
Man with a golden heart.
My dad,
Fearless.
I think I'm pretty fearless when it comes to the choices of my roles.
Would you rather have more money or more time?
More money.
Would you rather experience the beginning of planet Earth or the end of planet Earth?
Beginning. मतलब डायनासोर बनना पड़ेगा.
Maybe after Adam.
एंड में तो सब खत्म हो रहा होगा. बिगिनिंग में सब शुरू हो रहा होगा.
Right.
Beginnings are always more beautiful. Ends are always painful. Such is the story of Kabir Singh as well. But you never know. Maybe it'll be a happy ending.
Yeah, 21st June in the theatre near you.
Yeah.
Just had to plug it in.
Would you rather watch a news channel debate or be a part of the debate?
See, that's a very weird question. It depends on what the debate is about.
Some
I
knowledge on it.
would probably prefer watching. Unless it's something I very passionately feel about, then I'd be happy to be a part of a debate. Also, it depends on who is in that debate. Because sometimes everybody's shouting so much that anybody who's little well behaved or has good manners will not
So
be heard
basically,
in
you're
it.
saying you're very well behaved and you have good
No, I mean, I'm not going to go
You plugged
like
it.
how half of
True
them do.
that.
Yeah? You need to be able to talk in a civil manner, which doesn't happen on debates.
Quick replies in one word, please. A common thing between Shahid Kapoor and Kabir Singh.
Passionate lovers.
What movie do you wish life was more like?
Finding Nemo.
Yeah.
What do you miss the most about the time when you were single?
Time for myself.
So after this extraordinary rapid fire, it's time for
Extraordinary rapid
That was
Kiara
fire.
fantastic.
नहीं
You liked it?
seriously.
Very great.
आप response देखिएगा. Trust me. आप
Yeah.
response 100%.
He's full
Shall beat
faith
it
in
now.
you. Said you have full faith in him.
तो अभी beat
Before
कर-
only he said he's
ये
winning.
अभी beat
it.
करेगी.
I have faith in his fans actually. So
He doesn't have faith in my fans. He's
He doesn't
only
have faith in me is what you're not understanding. सिर्फ इसका छोड़ो इसके फैन बड़े लॉयल है.
मेरा कहने
जो भी बोलेगा वो उसको हिट करा दूंगी.
faith in you and the fans.
Thank you, sir.
Let's be specific. हम आपके बहुत शुरू से कदरदान है शाहिद साहब, अब अगर आप इस चीज को
सर
अगर आप
मुझे पता है
जी
Thank you.
रैपिड फायर विद कियारा आडवाणी.
Okay.
What's your definition of an ideal boyfriend?
This ideal boyfriend and all, people say it's like I don't have a list or anything, but I think just somebody who can just be very expressive when they love you,
You
genuine.
already lost the rapid fire,
Con-
you know, because your
Let me
start
tell
is
them,
so thanda.
it's fine. This answer I wanted to get out there, and I want those boys
So
to
basically, she
hear
wants
me.
to end her
You have to
single
express.
reign.
Said
She's
who?
had
No, I'm very
this reign
happy.
of singledom, and she now finally
He wants to see me settled in life.
get married, settle down, cook
He wants
booty for a
everyone to say
husband.
rubbish. Just someone who's very genuine, honest, loyal, very important.
So looks are not important. तो बहुत ही
Actually, no, I really, I feel, I,
unfit और ऐसा ही आदमी हो लेकिन बड़ा honest हो genuine. चलेगा?
yeah, honest, genuine.
No hot quotient, Instagram vibe required.
You know, with a great personality, who's
With a great
confident
personality.
about himself, who's stable, who's a family-loving person, and yeah, who's
So
on the
basically,
same
you've
page
ticked
as me.
off everybody because nobody
No,
has
there are
all this.
lots like this. There are lots like
Why
this.
such high expectations? Yeah, keep it simple.
These are the most basic
Somebody
ones.
who loves me like Kabir Singh. That should be your answer.
That's the toughest.
21st June.
21, you plug that also.
Okay. Which would you pick? Being the best actress, a genius, or super rich?
Being the best actress.
Because then she'll be super rich anyway.
Yeah. He's only into money.
If
ऐसा
you
important
suddenly,
Very
है।
important.
हाँ जी, if you suddenly found yourself turned into a man, what first thing would you do?
If I suddenly found
Be
myself
honest,
into
be
a man.
honest. Come on, be honest.
Okay, let me
What's
think.
the first thing you would do? Be honest. Be honest. Be honest. What's the first thing you would do, yaar, if you were a man suddenly? If I suddenly turned into a woman, I know exactly what I would
stand and go
check.
and pee for the first time in my life.
When was the last time you screamed at the top of your lungs?
When was the last time I screamed at the top of my lungs? Recently for a shoot because I had to.
What's something you have done that you would try to dissuade anyone from doing?
ऐसा कुछ खतरनाक तो I've not done.
Obvious answer.
So what do you mean?
आपके rapid fire
What is
में
his
वो खेल रहे
answer? Yeah, he's trying to.
आपके
In
rapid
your
fire content
rapid
वहाँ
fire,
से
you were not so rapid. You're so rapid to answer mine. What is so obvious? My answer.
Eating dudhi. Stop
Don't
eating
eat
dudhi every
dudhi.
day.
Don't eat boiled food like I do. That's what I should tell people to stop doing, according to
So much also
Shahid
not good.
Kapoor.
When you're ill, you do that. When you're normal, you don't do that.
What makes Shahid very special from all the actors you've worked so far?
मेरा swag.
please.
So hard to think. No?
I'm thinking the other.
Chinese Raman में बेचारे के.
The other thing, the others had that.
She's a perfectionist, na? So she wants to come up with a perfect
Are
answer.
you a perfectionist?
I think with Shahid na, he's got a, but even others actually have this quality. इतना भी तो कुछ खास नहीं था.
जो मैं खाना लाया तेरे लिए यार, किसी ने खिलाया
Yes,
इतना अच्छा
that is correct.
सब जवाब
Okay,
मैंने दिए।
so I'll tell you. That's true.
ये
This is
नींद में
why,
आई,
but this
मैंने
is why
इसको
I'm
जवाब दिए।
partners in real life. So you can give me these answers over
जी,
here.
जी।
So
हाँ।
the thing is, with Shahid, I think it was so easy to bond with him because he's making fun of Dudhi and all now, but this is the same food that he eats. And
He's a vegetarian, yeah.
yeah, but also that ghar ka, basically it's ghar ka khana, home food, our desi sabzis. I love it. I look forward to it. I don't find it bland and
If you
boring and
wanted to
hospital
know
food,
when
and
was
even
the
he
first
does.
day Kiara Advani came on Kabir Singh sets, go to her Instagram feed. You will see one shot. Khana khana dekho, Shahid Shahid khana
Yeah?
khana dekho dekho.
Can I
Then
please
when
remind
the
you,
last
you
day
put
the
up
film
that
finished,
thing.
the last day the film which thing? The last day the
That
film finished.
video Insta story.
You will know. Dekho dekho dudhi 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 dudhi. Whenever you find dudhi, you know Kabir Singh का shooting चल रहा था वहाँ.
Because his cook used to make all this khana and
What's his name?
send
Take
it.
his
So then
name.
I used to go to eat his
You
lunch.
know he's singing right now.
Jaggu.
Say my name.
Jagguda.
Jaggu.
Jaggu is
Not
his cook,
Jaggu.
not Jagguda.
Kiara.
His cook.
You're going to get me also into trouble.
No, his cook.
His name is Jagdish.
His Jagdish, who we
Jagdish.
call Jaggu, who was a mind-blowing cook.
Who's
Ji.
left me today?
If the world was going to end tomorrow, what 3 things would you want to do right now?
Give my parents a big hug and tell them I love them.
Come on, yaar, we are promoting Kabir Singh. What would be the first thing you would do if the world is
Quickly,
ending tomorrow?
let's all go watch Kabir Singh before
Release the film
releases.
today.
Yeah, release it today, and let's all go watch it. Why are you answering all my questions?
Because I'm dying to
You should have done this in your own.
21st.
just edit all my answers. Yeah, it's not a live feed. Just
Right.
No, keep it. It's fine. This was a very important one you answered. And the third thing I would do is try something I've never tried before, which I
Wouldn't you
don't
want
want
to
to
stop
say.
being single for a day?
For one day, what's the point of it?
Because it's the only
That
chance
one
you
day
have.
to my, so what? Stop being single. मतलब go to any boy and say, आज तो मुझे date
You
कर.
must be having some priorities. All of them will also know the world is ending tomorrow. Everybody will be open.
Let's move on.
Which celeb comes to your mind, Kiara, when I say the following? Best actress,
Sridevi.
epitome of cuteness,
I think Varun Dhawan is really funny and cute.
handsome hunk,
Hrithik Roshan.
crush,
Mm, you want to answer this also?
No, no. I'm just
Dying to answer this.
looking up at the ceiling. क्या अच्छे
I don't have any crushes
Yeah.
at the moment.
you can mention a Hollywood name if you want to.
Okay, Ryan Gosling.
Would you rather be the smartest girl in college or the most popular girl in college?
Popular, like socially popular, yeah.
Ji.
Because I wouldn't want to be like a
Popular?
yeah.
Would you rather be fluent in all languages or be a master of every musical instrument?
But I think fluent in all languages would be nice when I travel.
Would you rather go 30 days without your phone or your entire life without desert?
30 days without my phone.
Would you rather reverse one decision you make every day or be able to stop time for 2 minutes every day?
Reverse one decision I make every day.
Would you rather eat the same meal for the rest of your life or never use Instagram again?
Eat the same meal for the rest of my life. That's exactly what I'm doing. I'm eating the same meal every
Dudhi?
day of my life.
Okay.
For lunch. Not dudhi, yeah. Chhi.
क्या था pumpkin?
Pumpkin and bhindi. At least get it right.
Quick replies in one word, please. Which fictional character do you believe is most like yourself?
No, I think Kiara is very unique.
Wow, what an answer. How kind.
That's
That's
the
really
answer?
sweet.
Okay.
One of a kind. I'm a fiction myself.
What is your go-to karaoke song?
My go-to karaoke song, the one from Titanic.
The Celine Dion.
Celine Dion.
A common thing between Preeti and Kiara.
You're very loyal.
What movie can you watch over and over and never get tired of?
The Devil Wears Prada and Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge.
What's one food you don't like but can't avoid?
I have a food I don't like, but I do avoid it. There's nothing that I'm eating that I don't like. Eggs. I don't like eggs, so I totally avoid it.
Thank you very much. That was wonderful.
Yeah, you fully give
But
it to him. It was
I
like,
think-
right.
I think-
He's like, you're extraordinary,
So,
right,
what is the
great.
opinion generally that who has won this
You
rapid
can
fire?
give it to
You guys
him because he was
can-
more rapid and he had
give me
even
an
more
opinion.
fire in my rapid fire.
Who has won the rapid fire?
I think this is a Shahid
Shahid
Kapoor fan
Kapoor?
sitting right here.
Okay, manager?
So
Obviously.
asking Shahid's manager, why don't you ask my
She
manager?
heard nothing of this interview.
No, no,
She's
she-
only working on her
she
phone.
did. So-
Huh? Shahid.
Okay. Kiara
Say it louder.
obviously.
Yeah, say
Kiara,
3-4
obviously.
times.
Okay.
So
anyone
sweet
else?
you are.
So, who,
I
You're
think
part of
even
the
if Shahid he was
minority.
way more
Let's be
rapid,
fair,
but
let's be fair, let's be
both
fair.
of us had no fire on this.
so anyone बहुत silent है आप लोग सब आपकी
Because they are
आपके
shocked.
हिसाब से Shahid was rapid. Okay, so I think even I feel that Shahid
Yeah,
Kapoor
even I
has,
think so.
has won it very convincingly.
Please take the bouquet.
कितनी खुशी, कितनी खुशी.
So Kiara
Give
जी
us a
अगर आप
speech.
please ये
Please ये मुझे दे
बुके अगर
दीजिए.
आप
मैं
please
दूँ?
ये शाहिद जी को दे
अपनी
सकें.
हार को मान लीजिए.
बिल्कुल
धन्यवाद.
आपके लिए कबीर सिंह के लिए कभी भी.
If you can please give a victory speech, Shahid Kapoor.
I would like to thank the slowness and lack of sleep of Kiara for allowing me to win
Maybe
a
I
very
could be Sleeping
average
Beauty
rapid
at this
fire
moment.
by me. But my competition was so zoned out and anxious
Shut up.
for the 21st of this month that my veteranness has helped me keep calm and win this contest. So remember, always keep it together. Be like MS Dhoni.
Or Kabir Singh, 21st of June.
Kabir Singh is not chill, bro.
But he can be.
Kabir Singh is hectic. Okay? So, देख ले.
MS Dhoni में से उनकी पिक्चर थी. So thank you very much, both of you, and looking forward to Kabir Singh, June 21st, and I'm sure that it's going to be a great film, and all the best to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
That's all we have from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.
Hi, this is Shahid Kapoor.
Hi, I'm Kiara Advani.
And you're watching
Bollywood
Hungama.
Hungama.